Freedom, it's not given, but it's taken. With the freedom fighter Netaji's quote, let's begin our 75th Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav celebration of English Group C. The secret of human freedom is to act without attachment to the reasons. With the Bhagavad Gita's quotation, let's move into a prayer session and remind all our freedom fighters who have given their souls to mission. A silent prayer. Thank you all and happy Independence Day to all the members who are present here. As we all are aware about the theme of 2021 Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, about the theme of 2021 celebration is the nation first and always first. Keeping this plethora of energy, let's invite Surya Kiran Manu for the pledge.
India is my country, and all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country, and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Jai Hind. Thank you so much, Surya Kiran. Next, I invite one of the most energetic girl, marvelous, spectacular, Mumtaz Mariam Babalu, to lead us to the thought of the day. Mumtaz, please unmute.
Hi, good morning, guys. I'm Mariam Bablu, wishing you a happy Independence Day. Freedom in the mind, faith in the words, pride in our souls. Let's salute the nation on this Independence Day. We celebrate the Independence Day of our motherland, Mother India. In his historical speech, Trust with Destiny, Jawaharlal Nehru has said, at the stroke of the midnight hours, India will awake to freedom and momentum comes, which comes but rarely in the history, when an age ends, and when the soul of nation find utterance. On August 15, 1947, the great nation of India opened a new chapter in its history, an era of freedom, struggle, and progress. This could happen only due to the sacrifice made by the countless freedom fighters. Let us pay our homage to all the sung and unsung heroes who made it possible. Take pride in seeing the tricolor fluttering high in the sky and be proud to be an Indian. Let us work together towards the path of development. Wishing you all a happy Independence Day and thank you.
Thank you so much, Design, for your spectacular words on this Independence Day. Next, I invite a YouTuber to read a part from the Indian history that's none other than Aisha Anas.
Good morning, everyone. Myself, Aisha Anas, here to read a little bit about independence. Freedom in mind, faith in words, pride in heart, memories in our soul. Let's salute the nation on this day. Happy Independence Day to everyone. India, a free independent country that got its independence on 15 August 1947. But behind the story of independence lies a vast history of sacrifice and struggle of our brave sons and daughters who fought for the country's independence until their last breath. On 15 August, we celebrate Independence Day annually to remember those sacrifices our freedom fighters did for us. This day is a national celebration for all Indians who come together in the joy of independent India. Different educational institutions organize different programs by hosting the flag of India. For almost 200 years, we were under the rules of British government. They treated us like slaves, destroyed our monies and resources. But after all the struggles with the help of our freedom fighters, India fought for their rights and freedom. Almost 73 years ago, on 15 August 1947, India finally got independence from British rule. For the first time, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru hoisted Indian flag on Red Fort, since India celebrated Independence Day across the nation. A salute to the soldiers who risk their life for our country. A salute to the citizen who makes our country proud. Thank you and have a nice day. Wish you all once again happy Independence Day.
Thank you so much, Aisha, for your stupendo, fabulous, spectacular, oh, marvelous speech. And next, inviting Georgian, one of the active members of our group and our class, and he is himself is a government. And next, inviting him for the Independence Day wishes. Georgian, the stage is yours.
Thank you, Mundas. Despite so many years of independence, we still have many issues to attend to. Let us make the Independence Day more meaningful by working toward these issues. We are blessed to be born in a country which are independent, and we must thank for our ancestors who made so many sacrifices for it. Happy Independence Day 2021. Wishing you a very happy Independence Day. Let us join our hands to work hard to make our nation a better country with each passing day.
Thank you so much, Georgian, for your heart-melting speech. Next, I request all our members to stand and sing the national anthem in this Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav 75th Independence Day of India. Please all. I request you to turn on your video and unmute your mic and be a part in the national anthem. Janagana mana
अधिनायक
Jaya
जय
He
भारत भाग्य विधाता
Punjab,
सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल
Vindhya
हिमाचल यमुना गंगा
Himachal
उज्जल जल की तरंगा
Tava Shubha
तब
Naam
शुभ नामे जाके
Tava Shubha
तब शुभ नाशिष माहे गाहे तब जय गाथा घन घन मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे
Jaya Jaya
जय 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 हे
Jai and happy Independence Day wishes to all the teachers, school authorities, and the students. And let the freedom reign India, and let the God bless India. Thank you all.